If you are looking for a course on Ansible to learn with interactive lectures along with practices, then grab this course. This course fulfills your requirements, and the course title is Automation Using Ansible on AWS. Now, let's go through this course objectives. In this course, you will be learning about fundamentals of Ansible, its features, architecture, installation and configuration of Ansible, understanding of Ansible inventory, host inventory and manual inventory, understanding of ad hoc commands, exploring on Ansible modules and database modules, hands-on understanding with Ansible playbook, roles, tasks, variables, looping conditions in Ansible playbook. Now, let's understand why is Ansible important. It is an open source automation tool used for IT tasks such as application deployments, configuration of management, service orchestration, and provisioning. In this course, you will learn the fundamentals of Ansible functions, how to install and configure Ansible, architecture of Ansible and its advantages. You will have a deep understanding of Ansible inventory, Ansible host, and manual inventory. Then further we'll have the introduction to Ansible modules. Along with it, you will also learn to work with database modules, Ansible ad hoc commands, introduction to Ansible playbook, then write a playbook and illustration of Ansible role. This course is designed for a specific target audience such as cloud administrators, DevOps developers, DevOps engineers, cloud engineers, and cloud architects. The prerequisites for taking this course are the understanding of basic cloud infrastructure concepts, working knowledge on AWS cloud, and then understanding of basic Linux commands. The course schedule include the lessons and the practices. In this lesson, you see the list of 5 lessons which illustrates the various concepts of Ansible. The course comprises of the Introduction to Ansible, Introduction to Ansible Inventory, Ansible modules and ad hoc commands, write an Ansible playbook and configure mission, role and looping condition in Ansible playbook. This course includes a lot of hands-on using various features of Ansible. This slide lists the practices that you would be doing. The practice for lesson 1 would have you to learn how to install Ansible on virtual machines. The practice for lesson 2 includes how to work with Ansible host inventory and create manual inventory. The practice for lesson 3 would have you to learn about how to work with Ansible modules and ad hoc commands, further use different modules with Ansible command. The practice for lesson 4 includes learning to write an Ansible playbook and configure mission using the playbook. The practice for lesson 5 includes how to use loops, variables, conditions, roles to configure the managed nodes. To do the practice in this course, you need to set a practice environment which includes AWS account to access the cloud resources, AWS user account consisting with access key and secret key, AWS user account with privileges to update or add security ports, and latest version of the 64-bit JDK to be installed. Now, let me summarize the information that you have got. That is detailed course objectives, course description based on the objectives, course target audience, prerequisites to take up this course, detailed course schedule, practice environment used in the course to do the practice. Now, this concludes the course overview.